Struggling with part 3 MCQs because there are too many people talking? Here is the simplest strategy to solve the confusion. The core problem? Part 3 is tricky because you have two or more speakers. If you don't fully understand the question, you will get lost in the back and forth conversation. And here is how to fix that. Focus only on questions. During your pre-reading time, like when the speaker is going to say that you have got some time to look at questions 21 to 24, ignore the choices, only read the questions carefully. Reading the choices too early just fills your head with distractors that will trip you up later. Next strategy is to find your target speaker. The questions actually is going to tell you who to follow. So if it says Kieran thinks, so Kieran is your target. Listen to the other person for context. Like here, the other person will be Jane, but only Kieran in this question can give you the final answer. Next strategy is to hunt for the agreement. If the question asks you, ask what they both agreed on. Like here it says Jane and Kieran agree that hardback books should be. So wait for the consensus. Don't fall for the first opinion mentioned. Wait until the second person confirms it. Next strategy is to use tone as a compass. Listen for verbal cues like humming sound, okay, or I agree. These tones tell you when they have settled on an answer. If you hear a word like bird, be careful. The answer is about to change.